Okay, back to our work. So almost completing the first row. So we have done 8 so far. So this is the ninth one. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I've done the 12. So what I'm going to do is that this is my chain 2. This loop on top of this is my first double crochet. This is my chain 2. This loop on top of the first double crochet, I will insert my hook, then I will yarn over, then I'll pull through the 2. That is another slip stitch. So the reason why I worked, if you look at the back, you can see that this thing is worked over this tail. So the tail, now the reason why I worked over the tail is to make sure that this place is closed. So when I pull the the tail is going to close. Just pull it and you can see that the center hole is closed. So the next row, we are going to start with chain 2. So chain 2, yarn over. Below chain 2, you have a hole there, or a loop. You do another double crochet inside. For this row, in each of the loop, you are going to do 2 double crochet each, like this. This is another double crochet. So this is the beginning of our increase or expansion in crochet. So this is how to expand. So we have started a journey into our expansion. So you go on and on and on like that. Then you meet me at the end of the row.